It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever here once more. So this is the packaging. I love that they switched it up. Into that, the first thing I see is the wig, and then there are a few goodies. I got a drawstring bag which is branded, and then there's also a edge brush and comb and a pair of HD wig caps, along with this Beauty Forever elastic headband. So today's wig that we're working with is so gorgeous. This is Beauty Forever curly with pre-style finger coil thick curls glueless wig. It's a 7x5. As you can see, that nice large lace space, and this is the construction of the inside. It has combs, and the lace is also bleached, pre-cuts and pre-bleached. The ear portion is curved so that the wig will fit better on your head. The curls are so nice. I love the pattern. I must say though, it was on a bit of the coarser side, but I love how pretty the hair texture is. Alright, and I'll put the density and the specific length in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. I was showing you guys how I secure the back there with the comb. The wig was pretty secure in my head, very nice and snug. And look at that, I'm doing the shape test so you guys can see. But yeah, I love how realistic the hairline looks. As you can see, it looks quite melted and it's glueless. I used absolutely no adhesive on this lace today whatsoever. And yeah, look at that, so pretty. Perfect vacation wig, perfect vacation wig. You don't have to worry about having to be confined to this look for a prolonged period. And look at the curl pattern. Yeah, I really love that the finger coil curl pattern. It is so gorgeous. So this is exactly how it looks straight out of the packaging. And afterwards I decided to go ahead and do a few looks with this. So the first look I proceeded to do, I wanted to do something a bit fun and funky, so I did 2 buns, and I just got my scrunchie hair and kind of put those up in 2 buns. Very fun. So that's it for look number 1. For look number 2, I did something way easier. By the way, as I said, the lace era, you have a lot of space to work with. So if you want to do a braided style, you want to explore a number of styles, you can. You know, even though it's not a lace front, it still has a lot of lace space. I just did a flip over side vibe there, like, you know, like a side part look. I think my girlies that love a big curly hair look will absolutely always go for a side part vibe like this. It is just so gorgeous.
Dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
And then for the final look, I decided to go in and get the hair wet so I could redefine these curls. So I got just water in that spray bottle and I'm just spraying it right throughout. And then I'm going to just take my finger at the end, you'll see, and I'll just redefine and give it that finger coiled look. But yeah, you could also at the end, like while it's in its wet state, you could get your blow dryer or your diffuser, so the hair will be nice and voluminous and luscious looking. So yeah, I'm just taking my time to go through the entire wig and do that right now.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I cover up what I don't wanna show.
Once I'm done and once the hair is completely dry, this is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? So it looks, I got back those finger coils just like when it first came out of the packaging, but the hair, the curls are redefined, and that is the prettiest thing. The volume in the wig is amazing. Yeah, it's a 10 out of 10. It is a 10 out of 10. Beauty Forever, you definitely did that. I love how big and fluffy the hair is. It's full of life. That's just stunning. But yeah, if you want this wig, the direct link to it is down below in my description box. All the specifications are listed. Alright, so go ahead, check out down below for this wig. It's the perfect summer curly wig. I love it. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, and stay tuned for my next look. Bye.